Tyson here from Wyong with another Nissan Pro Tip. Did you know that out of all recorded vehicle accidents, rear-end collisions are the most frequent and account for approximately 30% of total accidents worldwide? That's why Nissan have implemented their intelligent emergency braking system as a standard feature across the X-Trail and Qashqai range using a radar built in behind the holographic front badge. When there is a risk of a collision with the vehicle in front, and the driver has to take action to avoid it, the system's designed to sound a warning to prompt action from the driver to help avoid a rear-end collision. On top of this warning, when a rear-end collision cannot be avoided by the driver's action, the system activates the brakes to decelerate the vehicle, thereby helping to reduce occupant injuries resulting from the collision. With all the innovative safety technology that Nissan are integrating into their vehicles, this system should be the only thing stopping you from coming in to see us today.